So now, what is the meaning of atomic mass and molecular mass? Now we will see this one: atomic mass and molecular mass. Okay, right, fine. See, what is atomic mass? Actually, atomic mass is the mass of an atom. It is the mass of an atom, and it's very very small. Very very small. Very very small. Atomic mass. First, we are discussing atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Is the mass of an atom, and it's very very small. It's very very small. Okay. For example, for example, mass of a hydrogen. Mass of hydrogen atom. We are taking. It's very very small. So we have taken an example of mass of one hydrogen atom is, see, it is 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. It's very very less, very very small, and it is very hard. It's very very hard. I think about not impossible, possible, but very hard, very tough job to calculate to find out the mass of hydrogen in mass of any atom. Okay, right. So it is mentioned in gram, but in the present system, in today's uh, learning of chemistry, today we are learning the chemistry. So in that, instead of gram, masses of atoms or atomic masses are always measured in the AMU unit. What is AMU unit? AMU unit. Okay. Mass of any atom is measured in the AMU unit. What is the meaning of AMU? Atomic mass unit. It is measured in atomic mass unit. So very important point. Instead of gram, we can measure this. We are using the unit system AMU. It is the atomic mass unit. Okay. So if we want to find out the mass of any atom, so we must have a standard value. We must have a standard value, and the standard value is taken from the mass of the carbon. Okay. In today, mass of any atom which is unknown to us, suppose, is always measured by having the mass of carbon atom. Mass of carbon atom used as standard mass, used as standard mass to measure atomic mass of any unknown atom. Or any atom, unknown or okay. To avoid the confusion, we can say. So any atom's atomic mass we can count out. We can measure by what? Having the mass of carbon atom, right? And what is the mass of carbon atom? Mass of carbon atom standard is 12 AMU. Mass of carbon atom is taken as a 12 AMU. 12 AMU. We have to remember this. Okay? 12 AMU. In fact, it's 12.000. After 12, there should be point and 50 should be. Okay. Now, what about AMU and how we can find out and how we can convert the mass into AMU, atomic mass? Okay. See. So next point. Okay. So atomic masses are defined is AMU. Atomic masses are defined is in AMU. And what is the value of AMU? So we will see that AMU is is equal to AMU is equal to 1/12 of 1/12 of mass of carbon. It is the 1/12 of mass of carbon atom. This is the carbon atom in gram. Very important point. What is 1 AMU or AMU? So we can write 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 into mass of carbon atom, and it is given, and it is mass of carbon atom in gram. Okay, so this is the formula of 1 AMU or just AMU. This is the formula of 1 AMU. Oh, we should know the mass of carbon atom. And what is the mass of carbon atom? We will go for that. So therefore, 1 AMU or 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 into 1.99 264 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. This is the mass of carbon in gram. After calculation, we can get, therefore, 1 AMU is equal to 1.66056 into, that's all. And this is very important. Conversion of AMU into gram and gram into AMU is possible now. This is what the value of 1 AMU. Now, but now today AMU is replaced by, recently AMU is replaced by Dalton unit. Therefore, that is DA, or we can use the DA, means instead of 1 DA is equal to, we can say, so 1 DA, okay, or unified mass, just U, small u, okay, unified mass. Therefore, we can say 1 Dalton is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the minus 23 gram. So either we can take 1 AMU is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram, or we can use 1 Dalton is equal to this one. Okay, so remember this, and let us have a problem from your book on this question on the atomic mass. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, so let us go for question. Problem is, I read here problem. Mass of an atom, see question or problem. Mass of an atom of oxygen in gram is 26.5689 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay, what is the atomic mass of oxygen? What is the atomic mass of oxygen atom in AMU, or you can use U, small u, or sometimes you will find DA, Dalton. So we have to convert this into U, this one, AMU or U or DA. So solution, what is solution? Mass of oxygen atom is equal to, how much it is? It is 26.5689 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Right. Okay. And how we can convert this? How we can convert this? We know 1 U or 1 AMU is equal to this one, 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So after converting, after rearranging the equation, let us go for it. So we can say 1.66, so we can say 1.66056 into 10 to the minus 23 gram is equal to 1 unit, 1 unit unified mass. What about 26.5689 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram is equal to how many? How many? So very simple. Divide this by this. Therefore we can have 26.5689 into 10 to the minus 24 divided by 1.66056 into the minus 23, and that will give you atomic mass of oxygen 16 point something will be there, 16 point something I will tell you. And it is 16.0 unit. That's all. So in this way, we can find out we can find out the atomic masses of any atom or atoms into AMU or Dalton, DA, or unified mass, small u, or we can in turn convert them into gram to AMU or AMU to grams. Okay. So this is what about the atomic mass of the atomic mass, okay, of the atoms. Okay. Now next important point is what? Next important point is average atomic mass. So this is one of the important point. Average atomic mass. See, this is a very important term. So you got idea about atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass is nothing but it is the mass of an atom. We can use the term AMU, DA, capital D small Dalton, or small u, or gram also, right? So to define the mass of any atom. Okay. What is the meaning of average atomic mass? And how these terms comes in existence, why we are studying this, that is very important to understand. Atomic mass is easy to understand. Atomic mass, mass of an atom. What is the meaning of average atomic mass? What we say average, when we were to use average, so we know we use the word average when there are 2 or 3 or 4 values before us. We count their average, we calculate their average, right? So word average means when we apply this, we say average percentage. When you have a 10th result, so we 12th result, when you go for your 12th, and there is a agencies, there are agencies which will calculate your science group average. So average means what? Average means when there is a possibility of 2, 3, 4 different values, and which are very similar to each other. Okay. So which is correct one we cannot choose. So at that time, what we do? We do the sum of all values and divide the how many values are there. If 2 values are there, we do the sum of 2 values and we divide by 2. If 3 values are there, we do the sum of 3 values and we divide them by 3. like that. Similar thing is here. Average atomic mass, it means that atomic masses will be more than one or same atoms. Yes, yes. What is average atomic mass? We will go for directly with example, right? So see here. There is a one word. It is not given in your book, but we have to learn that, and that is called as isotope. What is isotope? First, we will see what is isotope. This term isotope. This isotope is not in this part, but isotope we have to use here. What is isotope? What is isotope? Isotope. Isotope. So simple. Elements or atoms. Atoms of same element. Atoms of same element having having same atomic number and different atomic mass are called as isotope of each other. What is isotope? Isotope is isotope is isotope is the isotope is the atoms of same element having the same atomic mass, atomic number, but different atomic mass. Okay, but different atomic mass. Example is carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 4. Atomic mass are 666 and atomic number are same, but atomic mass are different. What is the meaning of this atomic mass? We will see in the next lecture. Okay, so if you have any question